Can I take physical possession of the gold in my IRA? There are specific rules within a gold IRA that dictate whether you can take physical possession of the gold held in this account. In this video, we will explore the ins and outs of gold IRAs, how they work, and of course, whether you can hold the gold yourself. We will also discuss investment options that will allow you to own physical gold as well as keep the gold in your IRA account. To read the full article right now, see the link in the video description. We will also discuss some of the best gold IRA companies to partner with as well. To skip to that part of the video, check out the chapters in the video description. Understanding gold IRAs. What is a gold IRA? First, understanding the rules and regulations of gold IRAs is essential. A gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows investors to hold physical gold and other precious metals in compliance with IRS regulations. Investors can choose to invest in a variety of precious metals such as silver, platinum, and palladium, in addition to gold. The flexibility of a gold IRA allows account holders to diversify their retirement portfolios beyond traditional assets like stocks and bonds. How do self-directed gold IRAs work? A gold IRA works by allowing investors to purchase precious metals through a custodian who handles the investment and storage in an approved depository. Once the investor decides to set up a gold IRA, the first step is to select a reputable custodian who specializes in precious metals IRAs. The custodian plays a vital role in facilitating the purchase of gold on behalf of the investor and ensuring compliance with IRS regulations. The investor can choose between different storage options, such as segregated or allocated storage, to safeguard their gold assets. It's essential to be aware of associated fees, which may include annual custodian fees, storage fees, potentially transaction fees. Is it possible to take physical possession of gold in your IRA? Taking physical possession of gold in your IRA involves navigating IRS regulations and understanding the associated benefits and risks. It is crucial for investors to be thoroughly informed before proceeding. More broadly, the owner of the IRA cannot take physical possession of the gold within the account until the age of 59 and 1/2 years. This is the standard age of eligible distribution. But digging deeper, one of the key regulations, aside from being held by a custodian approved by the agency, the IRS requires that the gold meet specific purity standards to qualify for inclusion in a gold IRA. Also, not all forms of gold may be eligible for physical possession from your retirement account. It's critical to navigate the rules to avoid any penalties and disqualification of your IRA status. What are the steps to take physical possession of gold in your IRA? To take physical possession of gold in your IRA, you must coordinate with your custodian, complete the necessary paperwork, and arrange for transfer from the depository to your possession. Once you have informed the custodian that you desire to take the physical possession of the gold in your IRA, they will guide you through the required paperwork. What are the benefits of taking physical possession of gold in your IRA? Holding the physical gold ensures that you have direct ownership and can easily access and manage your investment without relying on intermediaries. What are the possible risks of taking physical possession of gold in your IRA? Taking physical possession of the gold in your IRA involves some risks, including potential penalties and fines from the IRS if not managed correctly. When you take possession of physical gold, you also bear the responsibility of safeguarding the asset. This includes ensuring secure storage, insurance against theft or damage, and protection from unforeseen events that could jeopardize the value of the gold. Working with a reputable gold IRA company, in addition to offering competitive pricing, transparency, reliable customer service, and security of your precious metals, a trusted gold IRA company understands the many rules and regulations required for compliance. These specialized gold IRA companies eliminate the guesswork, time, and worry. We have reviewed and ranked the best gold IRA companies based on investment minimums, customer feedback, security, price match guarantee, competitive prices, and more. See the links in the video description to find the best gold IRA company that best suits your needs, and you can always make sure that you are in compliance. Factors to consider before taking physical possession of the gold in your IRA. Taking physical possession of gold in your IRA can have significant tax implications, including potential penalties and loss of tax-deferred status depending on IRS rules and compliance. By taking possession of the gold in this account, you are essentially removing it from the custodian's control, potentially triggering tax consequences. In most cases, this act is considered a distribution of assets from this account, which might result in taxable income and even early withdrawal penalties if you are not eligible. Again, the present standard minimum age for distribution is 59 and a half. Another possible option is choosing a Gold IRA company that specializes in both options. Noble Gold Investments provides both Gold IRAs and a private ownership option. Noble Gold's Royal Survival Packs are a great alternative or addition to a tax-advantaged Gold IRA. Noble Gold provides a number of Royal Survival Packs priced from $10,000 all the way to $500,000 plus and delivers to your home securely, giving you peace of mind of having both a tax-advantaged Gold IRA as well as physical gold secured at your home. Also, Noble Gold provides low investment minimums for beginning investors as well. See the link in the video description to find out more about Noble Gold's many offerings. So now you are aware of all the legal ramifications and rules that are involved with taking possession of the gold within your Gold IRA account. What you eventually decide to do will be based on your specific needs. To find the best Gold IRA company to ensure that you are compliant and are following the regulations, see the links in the video description. Please like and share if you enjoyed this video content. Also, subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. If you are a serious investor with at least $100K in retirement savings and want to take advantage of the best gold prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free gold educational webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Thank you for watching.